YouTube. Today I want to make a review on Olymptrade platform. Olymptrade is a regulated forex and a stockbroker by the Financial Commission, which I personally trade with, and I have had great experience using their platform. Okay, before everything we have to register an account to be able to use the platform. So we have to go to olymptrade.com, then click on registration. In registration tab, you have to provide an email and password. After typing your email and your password, click register and wait for the next step. In the next step, you are going to see a welcome screen which offers a short training for newbies, but for now I close it. After the platform completely loaded up, the most important thing is to verify your email. So on the top right corner of the screen, go to Profile, then Settings, then click on Personal. In the Personal tab, click on Email. Here, it's going to ask you whether you want to confirm your email or not. Click Continue, and then go to your email to receive the confirmation code. Once you got it, come back and enter the confirmation code and click Confirm. Then here you go. Your email has been successfully confirmed. You can use the same method to confirm your phone number. To do that, you have to go to Personal tab again, click on Phone Number, but this time you're going to receive a text message, including the confirmation code on your phone. After confirming your email and phone, let's have a platform tour. Okay, before anything here, you must know that on olymptrade.com, you can trade Forex, stocks, and fixed time trades, aka FTT. If you click here, you can see the list of the assets and trade types. There is a star next to each asset which helps you making your favorite list of trading assets. Under Forex tab, you can choose your assets among currencies, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, crypto, EFT, and composites. And if you are a stock trader, under the Stocks tab, you can choose your Asian, European, or American company to trade. On the left, we have Trades, Market, Events, and Help. Under the Trades tab, you're able to see your open trades, closed ones, and your portfolio in stocks. Under the Market tab, we have useful information about the market and also a section if you want to purchase signals or indicators. Here we have other sections for leagues and battles for those who want to take part in competitions. And the last one is the help section, which has been very helpful for me. One of the best things in here is the blog, which has tons of cool stuff in there for you as a trader. Down below, if you click on how to trade, you can choose your training for FTT, Forex, or stocks. And if you come to the asset section, you can find very useful suggested forecasts for several assets based on 1 hour, daily, weekly, or even monthly time frame. Down here, we have a small vertical bar. The first icon is for the signal service. By clicking on accept and continue, you basically would agree with the conditions of the service. As you can see, there are scalping, intraday, and swing signals based on different trading styles, but the service is paid. You can also click on show all available assets to find what assets you need signal for. The second icon is the chart types, which you can choose different chart types, but I always go with Japanese candlestick. And the next one is technical analysis. Here we have all the essential tools for technical analysis like indicators, oscillators, drawing, strategies, which includes free and paid ones, and advisors. And the last icon is for having two charts on the screen, which I personally found it very useful. So here I want to say for those guys who are really serious about making money every single day, is that it all comes down to your personal skills. Market is market for everybody. Market doesn't change for you and for another trader. We all see the same charts, we all see the same prices, but It depends on your personal skills in reading the chart, understanding the market language, and also understanding candlestick patterns, and learning about support and resistance lines. These levels are really important. So it is real that you can set a goal to make $50 to $400 per day after maybe 1 or 2 months learning. And I have been doing it. I know a lot of traders who are doing this, so you can do that too. It's all about focusing and improving your skills, because money comes after learning. Money comes with the skills. I haven't seen anybody who doesn't have any skills, and yet they make $400, $500 a day. That wouldn't be possible. Guys, I hope until now you have enjoyed the content about deposit, opening trades in Forex and FTT, and withdraw profits. I will make another video to show you how easy it would be. Please ask your questions in the comment section, and see you in the next video.